The sound of a dripping faucet is enough to drive you crazy. But in the remote hills of Honduras, well, it's a soothing sound. Why? Well, until recently, for these women, water wasn't something that came out of a faucet. First thing each morning, these women had to trek down the mountain to a local stream to fill their buckets with dirty water, then carry them back up to their homes before they could even start cooking breakfast. For years, they had to endure back pain and constant worry that they or their children would get sick from waterborne illnesses. But today, thanks to a partnership between Impact Water and their local community, they have water in their homes. That opens up a new season of opportunity because their family doesn't have to worry about waterborne illnesses that used to keep the children out of school and the men from being able to work in the family coffee farm. And it frees these women up to dream of new business opportunities. Each year, Impact Water partners with 4 villages in Honduras to bring life-changing water to over 20,000 people. You have made this happen, and each one of these children wants to thank you for your support.
Thank you for the water. Thank you for the water. Thank you for cuadrado. Thank you for the water. Thank you for the water. Thank you for the water.
But there are hundreds more villages that are waiting to hear that drip that drives you crazy, but is music to their ears.